Where does the name for the River Clwyd come from? So today I'm in Denbighshire and behind me is the principal river of the Vale of Clwyd, the River Clwyd. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. Clwyd in modern Welsh usually means a hurdle or a leap, and that kind of makes sense in the idea that the river is a little bit of an obstacle if you wanted to cross from one side of the valley to the other. But the scholar, Gitor Rhys, suggested that it's from an older root, a Indo-European root, and it means something like meandering, which makes a lot more sense to me because it follows the bottom of a low, flat valley and it meanders quite a lot in there. So the name means either hurdle or, more likely, in my opinion, meandering. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.